Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to use auto comment on Facebook ads, post, group, page. You can comment on Facebook manually, but I have a software that can help you do it in bulk automatically. You can save a lot of time and effort with this software. In this video, I will show you auto comment group function. After save setting, press start. The software will control your account's go to group, post, and comment what you selected. After comment done, the software will show you the link of comment. If you need the software, contact me on Telegram on the screen or in the comment.